Good morning, students. Myself Rohit sir, and today we are just going to start our new topic of chapter number 3, decimals. So, here we are going to start our new topic, addition of decimals. In this topic, we usually see in which format we have to do addition of a decimals. As we know, adding decimal is very similar to adding whole numbers, except with a few extra technical details. The technical details is, first, for the decimal additions, we line up the decimal points so that the whole number parts line up and the decimal part line up, then add each other. Means we have to put numbers after point to point. We can see how the decimal number are added to any decimals. It means we can add a decimal number up to 10th, 100th, thousands and so on. While adding any decimal number, we have to first of all look that all the numbers are in vertical form. We have to write all numbers in the vertical form. This is called the vertical methods. Only one thing is we have to keep in our mind that always take all decimal number next to each point, means point to point. Let us see some examples. Example. In this we have to add 0.35 and 0.42. So simple. Take a square and divide into a 100 equal parts. Okay. Now in this 100 equal parts, the circle parts represent 10th values and the dark square box represent 100th value. Now mark 0.3.5 in this square by shading 3/10 and coloring the 500th. It means this is the 3/10 part and this dark square is a 500th part. In a similar way, we have to just convert 0.4.2 in this square by sharing the 4th 10th and coloring 2, means these are the 4/10 shading part and this 2 is the 100th part of 0.42. Now count the total number of the 10th in the square and the total number of the 100th in the square. So now in this box, for the first is a 035, means 0, then decimal 3/10 part, it means 3. 100 part is 5. In the second, 0, 10th part is 4 and the 100 part is 2. Now simply add 5 plus 2, it's 7. 3 plus 4, it's 7. So by adding 0.35 or 0.42, we have 0.77. Thus we can add decimal in the same way as a whole number. Now just take another example step by step. Now to add decimal number, follow the steps below. By this method we usually add up the decimal points. Now the step first, most important step, line up the numbers vertically so that the decimal points all lies on the vertical lines. Means see, point after point. Step 2. Add extra zeros if necessary to the right hand side of the number so that each number has the same number of digits, so the right of the decimal place. Step 3. Add the number as we added in before slide. You would whole number. Place the decimal point of the result in the line with another decimal point. By these 3 steps, we are just going to start, or we are just going to add up new numbers. Take example, add 93.59 plus 4.7. Now solution is, by the first step, we have to place out the values after the decimals. It means here you usually see 93.59 and just below we just write 4.7. Here the numbers are in vertical form and after a point to point. In a step 2, we have to add one more zero. As we know, in one number, that is 93.59, after the decimal 2 points are there. We added this 0 to both of the numbers have 2 digits to the right hand side of the decimal. So we have to add 0 in 4.7. Okay. Now the step 3rd. Now simply plus the values. Now here 9 plus 0 equals to 9. 5 plus 7 equals to 2. 1 is carry on. Now we have to add 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 and 9 to 9. So here the final result is 98.29. So adding of 93.59 plus 4.7 is 98.29. By the same way, let us see some more example. Now, here's the one question. A man whose name is Rahul bought 4 kg 90 gram of apples, 2 kg 60 grams of grapes and 5 kg 300 grams of mangoes. Find the total weight of all the fruit he bought. Now the simple solutions. Most important thing, we have to convert this all in kg. 4 kg 90 gram, it means 4.090 kg. Weight of grapes is 2.062 kg. Weight of mangoes equals to 5 kg 300 gram equals to 5.300 kg. Now simply add all the weight of the fruits. The first step is we have to arrange in the vertical form, point to point. Now we have to add the zeros if there is any necessaries. Then simply add up the numbers. So here last we get the final answer 11.450 kg. So the total weight of the fruits which is bought by the Rahul is equals to 11.450 kg, means 11 kg 450 grams. Now for the next slide, which is our assignment. It's a simple. What we have to do, we have to sum of all the numbers. Total 6 questions are there. We have to simply add up the number by the steps 1, step 2, step 3. We have to use all these 3 steps to adding these numbers. Only one thing we have to keep it in mind, that we have to use vertical method and we have to place all the values point to point. By these two points we can find the addition of numbers. So now thank you.